Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the next question. The question is longest equal prefix. So given two positive integers x and y and an array ARR of positive integers. Okay. So we need to find the longest prefix index which contains an equal number of x and y. Print the maximum index of largest prefix if exists otherwise. Okay. So we have to find the maximum prefix index such that we are given a x is equal let's say this example x is equal to 7 and x is equal to x is equal to 7 and y equal to 42. Okay, and what is our array is 7, 42, 5, 6, again 42, 8, 7, 5, 3, 6, 7. Okay, so what do we mean by prefix? So before this we have seen the concept of prefix sum. So prefix sum means the cumulative sum from the starting. Okay, so prefix indexes we have to find from the starting. We have to count the number of x and number of y, and we have to check at every index, and if both are equal, the count of x is equal to count of y, then we have to return that index, that prefix index, the first index which at which it means before which we have the number of elements of x, I mean the number of elements which are equal to x, which should be equal to y, I mean the count should be x is equal to y. Okay, so here in this example if we see at index 0 is at index 0 what we have count x equal to 1 and count y equal to 0. So if we move forward, so at index 1 we got 42, so y, so we'll increment the y, and then at index 2, so we are having 5, so we'll not increment anything, again 6, no. If at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, at index 4 we'll increment the y, count y, again no effect at this 7. So in this way, we have to check, I mean, the count, and also what is given in the question. We have to print the maximum index. So now we are having two, like, but we have to check till the end, and the maximum index which we get, before which count of x equal to count of y, we have to return that. So every time we have to use one, let's say one variable, we have to do this thing, max of both, like both means the index, the current index and answer current index at which we got this, I mean we satisfy this condition, a count of x is equal to 1. Okay, so let's try. Initially I'll take long answer. So the minimum index, if we see, if I will consider as minus 1, and into count x, one variable for counting the number of x and another variable for counting the number of y. Then for int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. So what we will do, first we'll check if AR of I equal to x. Then what we have to do, we have to count the x, and then if AR of I equal to y, then again we have to count y, and we have to increment the component. Now see, initially count x is equal to count y only, because both are initialized by 0, right? So we have to check if count x is not equal to 0 and count y is not equal to 0, then only then if these two conditions satisfy, then only we'll check count x is equal to count y. If both are equal, then what we are going to do, we are going to update the answer equal to max of answer comma the current index, because what we have to return, uh, return the maximum index of largest prefix. So we should update by index. Okay, and here, okay, so we'll return answer. You can see we are getting the correct output. If we check with the other another example which is given, 3, so here 3, 1, 2, then the number elements 1, 2, 3. So if we okay, so we are getting the correct answer. So in this way, this is the basic level question. So we just have to find the count and check and return the answer. So in this way, we have solved this question. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.